In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar links on this Jeep Wrangler. Let's get into it. We're going to remove this panel. There's some push pins. I'm just going to use a trim tool and just pop these down, just like that. Those out. Then on the back side, there's some push pins. Pop those out. And just slide it down. I'm going to use a 19mm wrench. Just keep the stud from spinning. Use an 18mm socket. Take the nut off. Using an 18mm wrench, I'm going to go over the nut. 18mm socket. Loosen up the bolt. Nut off. And the bolt, you can slide the link right out. Take the new link, line that up, get the bolt, get the nut started. And before we tighten that down, get the lower bolt started. And the nut. And I'll snug these up. Now we're going to torque the lower bolt and nut to 63 foot-pounds. And the upper one, we're going to go to 66 foot-pounds. There we go. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle. Slide this panel in place, get that lined up. Put the push pins in, secure those down. And the pins in the back, slide those in place, lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.